Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Okay, Kaizer Chiefs iname uPeterson as their new captain. U-first goalkeeper lona bafethu after uItumele Nkhune ukufaka ibhande laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akukho lula bafethu ukuthi ube i-captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs, especially for u-goalkeeper. So li-powerful ibhande le-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean for ilo uPeterson bafethu, it's more than just ukuthi abe i-captain but i-comeback story yakhe. I mean masisibheka isitori saka-Peterson, amaphutha wakhe wa-before, we can say ukuthi ukhulile and uyakwazi manje ukuba yi-leader, nanokuthi kusho ukuthi i-reputation yakhe laphana behind the scenes important kakhulu. Obviously-ke i-announcement yayo i-Kaizer Chiefs ithuse abantu, but-ke most importantly bokuyi-emotionally for Peterson. Ngimbonile ku-press conference laphana ekhuluma kahle kakhulu, waze washo naye ukuthi uyi-natural born leader, kusho ukuthi yinto vele abayibonayo nayo i-technical team ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. uKhalil Ben Youssef no-Cedric Keza ukuthi angakwazi uPeterson ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Siyazi ukuthi uPeterson bafethu has been through a lot, amaphutha awenzile laphana cost i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-matches, ama-emotional interviews la vele bekumele a-own up ukuthi uye wenze amaphutha laphana. But-ke manje kubonakala ngathi yena lo muntu lo uke waba namaphutha amaningi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uye-ke standing tall as their leader ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. I mean into enhle, to be honest, into enhle kakhulu ukuthi uPeterson bafethu uzithola kule situation le overall. I mean ku-special because of i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikakabi no-goalkeeper oba yi-captain since uItumele Nkhune. I mean uItumele Nkhune yi-legend, i-icon le-Kaizer Chiefs. Uma ucabanga u-goalkeeper e-South Africa, uma ucabanga uItumele Nkhune, you don't even think about i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, but you think just about i-goalkeeping department in general for iBafana Bafana and what Itumele Nkhune represented, isimboli yakhe. I think no-Peterson uyazi ukuthi kuchazani overall ukuthi abe yi-leader laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Not just ukuthi nje abe a-leader from the back bafethu. I mean is stepping into the shoes and lakaTumele Nkhune ukuthi aqhubekise i-legacy overall. uItumele Nkhune, he led Kaizer Chiefs with confidence. uPeterson-ke obviously yena ama-emotions wakhe a-raw isikhathi esiningi, uyambona laphana ethetha, ecommanda, even when he's on the bench njengoba ngike ngasho bafethu. I mean he feels every moment for every game. Yeah, but-ke sobona ukuthi ulona uPeterson uzokwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater heights laphana emuva, but at the same time I mean so far singasho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyilida. Why? Because of uye is one of the standout performers for the team overall. I think the most important thing is to be loyal to the pitch, and akhona ama-moments la obvious uPeterson ake aba nervous khona, siyawakhumbula amaphutha wakhe, but okuhle this season ukuthi already unama-clean sheets. I think unama-clean sheets awu-7 overall if angenzi iphutha. Yeah, I mean uwafeyisile ama-demons wakhe, but-ke bekumele azikhulise naye akhule as indoda. For him ukuba yi-captain, I think it's not just a reward bafethu, but i-responsibility ukuthi kumele akwazi ukuthwala i-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously asize nalaba bafana abancane who are coming through to the ranks of i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngimfisela inhlanhla overall from uItumele Nkhune to Peterson, one leader to another. Sobona ukuthi indaba yabo izophelelaphi. Danke bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.